I don't want to brag or anything, but I'm pretty sure I have the best viewers on any YouTube channel. I received this wonderful little gift. I'm trying to cover the addresses from Leez Mini Murals, who is a wonderful viewer, friend, a Wonky Wire Worker, connected with all of us on the channel. And she had accidentally ordered 2 of a tool, and she sent the second one to me. So believe it or not, I have totally forgotten what it is. It's one of the joys of getting older, is every day, every moment can be like Christmas morning because you have no idea what's getting ready to happen. So I'm going to open this with you and see what this is. And she's made a little custom word here. Obviously, it says love. It's got a little jewel hanging off of it. Look at this. Isn't that the sweetest thing? This just blesses my heart so much. A little briolette sparkly gem there. So cute. Oh, it looks like I have a little note as well. Happy mail. Definitely happy mail, especially with all the snow. Oh my goodness, come on. Cute little stickers, shine bright, some kitty cats. I definitely love my kitty cats. And we grow shiitake mushrooms, so that's what they kind of look like as well. So fun and colorful. Definitely going to tuck those away. Let's see what this note says. Carrie, I hope you get some use out of this cuff shaper. Okay now. I could have used this the other day. I really love mine. It makes it so easy. Thank you for all your ideas, tutorials, and best of all, your sense of humor. I hope you all stay to the end of every video for bloopers because I get a laugh, so I hope you get a laugh as well. So this is from Leisha. You look up her channel, Leez Mini Murals. She also does jewelry and some other crafty things. So check out her channel as well. Let's see what this cuff shaper tool is. Oh, okay now. This is huge. Cuff shaper tool. Okay. Leisha, I think I need help. How do you use that? Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to Google this and figure this out. Okay, I figured it out. I had an idea that it worked like this. So basically, all of this back here is for leverage, and this is sort of thick. I'm not sure. I'm thinking this is 14 gauge, just to give you an idea of how this works. So that you're going to wedge that down into this little area. That's going to lock onto that, and so you can do the one side of your cuff, flip it over, and do the other side. Voila, and you have a little cuff. I think I'm gonna do a little more adjusting. Maybe you bring it all the way over, something like that. This is super interesting. Oh my goodness. I think I might take my large wrap and tap pliers and just tuck in these ends just a little bit more. Just for a little more shape on there. And because it's metal, you're going to be able to hammer on that too and strengthen that and really do some texturizing, or if you just need to strengthen your cuff bracelet or something like that. A tool I never knew that I needed. Thank you, Leisha.